This is DreameBot Z10 Pro, a robot vacuum and mop that empties itself. It comes with a dust disposal base and a dust bag of 4,000 milliliters to store dust for up to 2 months. There are 4 suction levels to choose from on the app. Having a vacuum with the suction of 4,000 Pascal or work as quietly as 80 decibel is totally up to you. When the power is low, it recharges itself and resumes the cleanup.
Returning to the dock to charge. Charging.
With LiDAR navigation, Z10 Pro scans your home using lasers. Through the map built on the app, you get to let it clean certain areas or skip certain areas. Whenever an obstacle is detected, it automatically goes another way. Oops, did I tell you it mops as well? DreameBot Z10 Pro, engineered by Dreamy.
Connect the power cord to the station. Place the station against a wall, on a hard floor, not carpet or rug, with at least 0.5 meters each side and 1.5 meters in the front of the station. Plug in the power cord. The station's panel has 3 buttons: station cleaning when the DEEBOT is out of the station, start, pause the DEEBOT, and move the DEEBOT in, out of the station. Open the station lid and remove the clean water tank. Add water to the max level and place back into the station. In mopping mode, as the DEEBOT cleans, it will return to the clean station periodically to clean the mopping pads. Tap the self-cleaning button to automatically fill the cleaning sink with water. Clean the sink with the brush. The wastewater is automatically pumped into the wastewater tank. To prevent accidental operation of the control panel, press and hold the left and right buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds.
Child lock is already on.
Thanks for watching. For more information, tap the Help section of the app settings.
This is what you will receive when you get your Narwal T10. To open the box, hold it here. Tear it off, lift the box, and then take the robot out. Now take out the accessories from the bottom of the base station. Open up the upper cover of the base station. You will find 2 water tanks. You will find vacuuming module, mopping modules and mops, a magnetic strip, a power cord, side brushes, and filter sponges. Here's your user's manual. Now take out the robot. Now tear up the seal. Open the upper cover of the robot. You will find the dustbin and a little hook cutter. You can check the product list in your user's manual to ensure all accessories needed to operate your T10 are included in the package.